how European classrooms are coping with COVID. %68 admissions done in district. Policy to set up Kendriya Vidyalaya in every block of India to start from Uttarakhand. Schools, colleges reopen after months of COVID lockdown in England. European children back to school amidst virus fears. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: in England, the schools reopened on June 1. In France, schools reopened on September 1. In Germany, children have been returning to school full time since early August. In Greece, they are expected to reopen on September 7th, and in Italy, it is expected to reopen on September 14th. Dutch elementary and high schools began reopening in stages in August. In Norway, schools reopened gradually from April 27th. 68% admissions under RTE have been done in the district. Earlier, the Education Department had given permission to children selected in RTE draw to take admissions up to August 31st, but 15-day extension has been given due to coronavirus pandemic. The remaining children have to take admissions up to September 15th. The registration process for RTE was commenced from February month in state. The National Education Policy will become a catalyst for change in Uttarakhand, Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has said. He added that Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself is encouraging the steps towards it, and the centre, under PM Modi's leadership, has agreed upon opening Kendriya Vidyalaya in all 95 blocks of the state. Hundreds of thousands of children and young people across England are set to resume their classes at schools and colleges from Tuesday after months of lockdown imposed to curb the spread of coronavirus since March. The Department of Education said pupils will return to school environment with a system of controls in place to keep all pupils, teachers and staff safe. French pupils go back to school Tuesday as schools across Europe open their doors to greet returning pupils this month, nearly 6 months after the coronavirus outbreak forced them to close, and despite rising infections rate across the continent. Many teachers and parents are worried the reopening of schools will accelerate the spread of COVID-19, but governments have insisted it should go ahead. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website, which is www.theenn.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.